Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a RAM 1500 license plate light. First, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and the new replacement bulb. Always ensure your truck is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll find the license plate light assembly usually mounted above the license plate on the rear bumper. Now, to access the bulb, take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into the small notch on the edge of the light cover. Carefully pry the cover off. Remember to use light, steady pressure to avoid cracking or damaging the plastic housing. Once you've applied enough pressure, the cover should pop right off, revealing the bulb and its socket inside. With the cover removed, you'll see the bulb socket. To remove it, gently twist the entire socket assembly counterclockwise until it loosens and can be pulled free from the housing. Once the socket is out, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a little snug, but it should come out without much force. Then, simply insert your new bulb firmly into the socket. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket back into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it's securely locked in place. Then, align the light cover and snap it back onto the assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into position. Test your new light to confirm it's working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.